subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Indian smartphone maker Micromax has launched its new affordable smartphone in India called Micromax In 1 with a unique X design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Micromax In 1 supports a large 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 91.4% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Micromax In 1 features a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box, and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.24 by 76.95 by 8.95mm and it weighs around 195 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Micromax In 1 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 11,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 26th in blue and purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Micromax In 1 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.